Take a close look at these images. The style and aesthetic of these images have become a trend these days, and we see many of them. People often ask me how these images are created. The answer is that was various AI. These images can be generated. However, in this tutorial, I'll show you a simple method to create these trendy images for free using the Bing search engine.
That I made in no time.
Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can paste or type your prompt. You can change every word you want, and don't worry, I will put all prompt in description. Click on Create button. Click on Image to preview. Let's try another sample. If you want to download this, simply click on Download, and you will get image without any watermark.